Today I'm doing an unboxing and review of 3 power banks from INIU, and these cover everything from ultra portable to full laptop charging power. Before I get too far into this video, you could be the winner of this Gamma K TK75 V2. All you have to do to get entered is follow the link down in the description below, follow the rules on the official Instagram post, and you are entered to win this Gamma K TK75 V2. The giveaway officially ends when Tech Lab hits 1,000 subscribers. So go get entered, good luck, and let's get on with the video. Now, one cool thing about all 3 of these power banks and other INIU products as well is that they come with a 3-year warranty. So you're good to go for the first 3 years, obviously, if you should have any issues with your product. One thing I always appreciate about products is premium quality packaging. It just elevates the whole experience, and this definitely has that. String attached to it, instruction manual, and warranty information, and looks like that's everything in the box. Right off the bat, I cannot believe that this thing is 10,000 milliamp hours. Here's a comparison of it next to my Samsung Galaxy Bud 3 Pro's case. It's not much bigger actually, and this thing is dense. Like, it's got a ton of weight to it. To put it in comparison, this is my Samsung 10,000 milliamp hour battery bank, and while it is thinner, it's also quite a bit bigger in size otherwise. So that is seriously impressive what they have packed into this. Now, again, it does have 45-watt fast charging. As you can see here, you've got 2 USB Type-C ports and a USB Type-A port, so you can also charge multiple devices. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and power this thing on. As you can see, it has a little display on there which shows you your battery percentage. Right now it's at 52%. This thing is just super clean. It also has this little hook on here, so you can hook it onto a bag or whatever. And the cool thing is, this thing is so small that, you can throw it in your pocket, in your backpack, or whatever. It's extremely portable and just incredible size. Now, while this thing is built out of plastic, it does feel extremely durable, and I think a lot of the premium feeling of this comes down to just the sheer weight of it, because they have such a big battery packed in such a small case. So it's just really dense and feels very premium and well built. I am incredibly impressed with this thing. Moving on to the P73. Now, this thing offers the same specs as the P50, which I just showed you guys. It's the same 10,000 milliamp hour battery in here and up to 45 watts fast charging, but this thing has a built-in Qi 2 wireless charging, which supports up to 15 watts of fast wireless charging. So in this package, we get the power bank, of course. We also get both our instruction manual and warranty information as well. This one, while has plastic on the back, actually upgrades to an aluminum surface on this side, which is quite nice. It's got a little doggy paw as the battery indicator, kind of a unique design choice there. But once again, this thing feels incredibly premium, very heavy and dense feeling, which again adds to its premium feel. You get a USB Type-C on the side here, and then one on the front side here as well. Got a power button over here on the other side, and yeah, super nice and slim. This could also very easily fit in a pocket or throw it in a backpack, and you have the same little kind of keychain hook. You can throw a carabiner on there, have it hang off your backpack or off your keychain if you wanted to do something like that. Right on the front side here, we get the Qi 2 wireless charger, which obviously, like I said, supports 15-watt fast wireless charging. It's also MagSafe compatible too, so if you have either an iPhone, a Google Pixel, or MagSafe compatible cases for your Samsung devices, for example, you can throw them on here and they will actually magnetize to them. And one cool feature I really love about this one is it actually has a little kickstand here, so you can set it up like that, and you can clip your phone to it like that and use it as a little phone stand while it charges it wirelessly. Last but not least, this is the biggest power bank that INIU sent me. This is the P63-E1, which is a 100-watt power bank with 25,000 milliamp hour battery. Now again, while that is a big battery and this is a pretty decent sized power bank, for the size, for fitting a 25,000 milliamp hour battery inside this box is really, really impressive. The cool thing about this power bank is it's also TSA approved, so if you want to charge your laptop or something like that on an airplane, you can totally bring this thing with you and be just fine. Once again, as usual, we get the power bank and instruction manual with our warranty information and everything in there. This thing is a thick boy. It is heavy, it feels extremely dense, but again, look at the size of this thing. I mean, it fits in the palm of my hand, and this is a 25,000 milliamp hour power bank. Again, just for perspective, here it is next to my Samsung 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, and while it is a lot thicker, obviously, it's just smaller. It's just compact and just like dense. It's so crazy. Now this thing is designed very similarly to the P50, which I showed you guys earlier. It has the same display, which shows you the battery percentage on there, and has a USB Type-C with a max output of 100 watts, has a USB Type-C with max output of 45 watts, and then it has a USB Type-A port with a max output of 18 watts. Very, very impressive numbers, and you could totally charge your laptop off this thing. As you can see here, I have this thing plugged into my Asus ROG Zephyrus G14, which has a full-blown AMD Ryzen 9 CPU, an RTX 4070, 32 gigs of RAM, and this thing is charging it no problem. And actually, I want to try something real quick. So, I'm jumping into some Minecraft here because we all know gaming laptops don't perform well on just running off of their battery. And I'm getting around 96 to 100 frames per second. I'm maxed out on the graphics settings here. And, I mean, it's smooth. You know, there's a little hair bit of latency when I move around. It really tanks in the FPS department there when I move around really fast, just from running on that battery. But what I'm going to do is plug in the power bank and see if the performance improves from this game actually running on the battery. Now, first thing I noticed after it kind of settled in a little bit, our FPS didn't go up a whole lot. But what I did notice is a lot less latency between when I move my mouse and what's happening in game. I'm also hearing the fans kicking on, which means the laptop's going into its turbo mode, which means that, you know, it's taking juice from the power bank and sending it to the GPU, and those fans are kicking up a little bit, and it's a lot more responsive. So yes, in fact, you know, if you want to play on your laptop but you don't have a place to plug it in, you can totally use this power bank to power it to play video games on, which is super, super impressive. Here we're actually getting up over 100 frames per second now, now that it's kicking into turbo mode. And it's feeling really great. I am super impressed that you can actually game on a full-blown gaming laptop with an RTX 4070 being powered by this little thing. So this thing is straight up impressive. That's about the only way to describe it. I am just genuinely impressed with these INIU power banks. They are absolutely fantastic. They have premium build quality, and they're packing insane battery sizes into extremely small packages. I mean, while this thing is kind of big, you could probably throw this in your pocket and it'll definitely fit in a backpack, and you can charge a full-blown laptop off of it, which is just extremely impressive. Now, you might be wondering, because none of these actually came with charging cables, and that's because it is this little loop right here. Not only is this like a really beefy, thick little rope, you can also just unclip it from the string, and there's your USB Type-C charging cable. It is so cool and so convenient, and like, this charging cable is like beefy. Like, I totally would actually trust this to like hang this on a backpack and bounce around. Like, this coating on here is thick, so that's not gonna break, and that's just a super clean way of, you know, integrating the charging cable into it. I absolutely love it. It's on every single one of these power banks. Just pop it off and there it is. Super cool. Even on the big one, the 25,000 milliamp hour power bank, this is a beefy enough charging cable. You could totally clip this on your bag and be totally fine. And like, it doesn't fall out either. Like, I'm shaking this thing, like bouncing it around, and you actually have to like pull up and out to get the charging cable out. So that thing's not gonna come loose if you have it hanging on a bag or something like that. Now, all of these power banks have very different use cases for all sorts of different tasks. And I want to talk about something that makes these things even more impressive than the performance, and that is price point. So the P50 comes in at just $33, which is quite impressive for a premium 45 watt fast charging 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. And then the P73 with the wireless charger comes in at just $40. you're getting, all the same specs as the P50, but you're getting added wireless charging, and you're also getting that little kickstand, and you can use it as a phone stand or magnetically clip it to the back of your phone. And then the P63-E1, which is the big boy, comes in at $76, though on INIU's website you can get it for 12% off right now, so you can get it for $67. And I will leave links for all three of these to both INIU's website directly and Amazon links as well, for you guys to check out each of them for yourself. Obviously, like I said, these all have very different use cases, but they all just very consistent, nice build quality. I really love the consistency here between the different products. But the P50, you're probably going to be, mostly charging your phone, throw it in your pocket, throw it in your bag, just a small little power bank, quickly charge up your phone. I have an S24 Ultra, and it has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, so this little thing can actually charge my phone 2 times fully, which is really, really impressive. And so yeah, this is going to be, your small portable. The P75 is also going to be a small, very portable one, but again, it has that magnetic G2 wireless charger, so you can stick it on the back of your phone, and some of the same features as the P50, but just a little bit more, which is fantastic. And then obviously the big boy is going to be for charging your laptop, at an airport or on the go, and you can also charge your phone on this. You can get a lot of charges out of this thing, but yeah, mostly for laptops or bigger devices like tablets and things like that. All of them have just incredibly fast charging. I've been super impressed with the premium quality of these products, and the price points that they're coming in at is really, really great. Thank you, INIU, for sending out these amazing products for me